Mailbird is a powerful email client that promises to help you manage all your inboxes in one place, but is it right for you? If you're considering buying Mailbird, there are a few things you need to know first to make sure it's the perfect fit. In this video, we'll dive into the 7 most important things you should consider before purchasing. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also show you how you can get the best offer and try Mailbird completely free. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about the user interface. One of the key features of Mailbird is its sleek and minimal design. It's user-friendly, with an intuitive drag-and-drop interface that makes managing emails feel effortless. If you've used Outlook or Thunderbird, you'll notice the difference immediately. It's a breath of fresh air, especially compared to competitors like Microsoft Outlook, which can feel overwhelming with its cluttered interface. The streamlined design in Mailbird lets you focus on what's important, your emails. Next thing you should know is Mailbird's integration capabilities. This email client integrates with over 30 apps, including apps like Slack, WhatsApp, Google Calendar, and more. This is a huge plus if you're managing various communication tools in your workflow. Compared to competitors, such as EM Client or Thunderbird, Mailbird's integrations are some of the best. It's like having all your tools under one roof, making your day-to-day workflow far more efficient. Now, let's talk about its performance. When you're handling multiple accounts, you need a client that won't slow you down. Mailbird is optimized for speed, with features like unified inboxes and fast email searches. It's smoother than many competitors, including Outlook, which has been known to lag, especially with larger email databases. This makes Mailbird a top contender if speed and performance are a priority for you. Moving on to the fourth thing, customization. Mailbird offers a range of customization options, from themes to layouts and more. If you love making your workspace feel like your own, Mailbird has you covered. This is something Outlook and Thunderbird struggle with, as their customization options tend to be a bit limited. If you care about personalization, Mailbird definitely gives you more freedom in how your email client looks and feels. The fifth thing to consider is the price. Mailbird offers a freemium model, but its premium features, such as additional accounts, more customization, and advanced support, are locked behind the paid version. It's very reasonably priced, but if you're looking for something entirely free, you might find competitors like Thunderbird a bit more appealing. However, for the value Mailbird offers, many find it's worth the price. The sixth thing is customer support. Mailbird is known for offering excellent customer support. If you run into any issues, their support team is responsive, and they also have a vibrant user community where you can find tips and tricks. This is a huge advantage over alternatives like EM Client, which has often been criticized for its customer service. If you value reliable and fast support, Mailbird stands out here. And the last thing you should know is about the trial offer. You can try Mailbird for free with full functionality before deciding whether to buy. This is a fantastic way to test whether it suits your needs without committing upfront. Some competitors, like Microsoft Outlook, offer limited free versions that don't give you the full picture of what their software can do. With Mailbird, you get a risk-free trial to explore all its features. So if you're on the fence about whether Mailbird is the right choice for you, these 7 things should help you make an informed decision. If you want to try it out for yourself and get the best offer, make sure to click the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial available and some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out.